everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sinisha and this is PeepSo Feature Highlights. Today you are about to learn how to create a completely closed-off community. So no one will be able to see any content on your website unless they are logged in as a member. This is useful if you have let's say, alumnus website for your high school, or you have content on the website that is not suitable for everyone, and you want to close it off and hide everything behind the registration. So people will have to register on your website in order to see anything. As it's right now, my website is completely open, so I'm now logged out, and everyone can see everything. So if I open this photo, for example, it's privacy, it's public. I do have to register or log in to react or comment on this post, but I can still see this post. So we are going to completely hide our community and completely close off our website. So only registered members can access it. Let me show you how to do that. In order to achieve that, we first need to create a landing page that will serve as a page for all the users that are not logged in, and they will always see just that page until they log into the website or create an account. So even if they have a link to some content on your website, direct link to the post, for example, they will still be presented with this page that we are going to create. So let's go to Pages, Add New. In here, you can add the title. Let's call it just Welcome, and that's it. Save the draft so I can change this URL if I wish. I don't want to change that, but the thing I must change is the template that this page is going to use. So instead of default template, we are going to choose the landing and scroll a little bit down here and hide the header menu. All right, let's publish this page and view of the page. Now, because we are logged in, we can still see this widget, user bar widget over here. But if we are not logged in, let's log out. This is how our landing page is going to look. You can change the left side of it, this blue part. You can replace it with an image by setting the featured image for the page. Or if you want to change this text, you can simply add some content to the page. So let's log in one more time. Remember me, log in. Oh, why? Okay, so we also need to create a redirection to move away from this page when we are logged in. We are going to do that after changing the content over here. So let's come back to WP admin. Pages, all pages, find our welcome page and edit it. So I'm going to add the header here and call it Hello YouTube. And here is welcome to our hidden website. Okay, and I'm just going to change this to be a header and update the page. So let's view it now. You see how this text changed, and I'm going to change the featured image. Let's use one that is already available on the website. Well, let's use this one. I don't know the size of it. It's pretty much, it's very big. So let's see if that will work. Yes, that will work just perfectly. So this will be our landing page for the users that are not logged in, and it will look like this. Okay. Now, let's redirect the user away from this page when they log in. So if I log back in, I'm going to use my admin account, log in. I still stay on this page. I want to go elsewhere. I want to go to the home page. So let's just refresh this. Yes, we are logged in. So please remove this pop-up. Okay. Go to PeepSo configuration. And here in navigation and filters, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the login and logout redirect. So login redirect, we are going to redirect to front page. Actually, let's make it more interesting. Let's redirect to user profile. And when you log out, you don't really need to redirect anywhere because you will be redirected to the landing page anyway. So let's save those settings. Now let's quickly log out. Let's just refresh the page to make sure that new settings from the configuration are applied. Let's try to log in one more time. Admin. My password is also admin. Log in. And now I am redirected to the profile page of this user. All right? Simple as that. The next thing we need to do is actually hide our website from the views or prying eyes of the members that are not logged in. So if I log out from the website, you will see that I can still access, I'm not redirected anywhere, and I can still access all the other pages. Let's go to community. I can see all of this content. So I want to hide that. And to do that, we will go to the WordPress dashboard. Let's make sure we are logged in. We are not. So admin, log in, go to Gecko and settings, not customizer, the settings. Here in the settings, the first option is to redirect guests. And as you can see, it's currently disabled. So we are going to expand that dropdown and choose our welcome or landing page that we created earlier and simply save changes. Now that changes are saved, if we go back to our website and log out, obviously, so let's log out, you will now see that I'm going to be redirected to the landing page and nothing is going to be shown to me, okay? So now, even if I have a direct link to the website content, let's say members, for example, not members, but anyway, I'm still redirected to back to this page. So let's try to open this recent activity page. No, it will not allow me. You need to log in first in order to continue using the website, okay? Now you may be wondering, how will people register on the website when all the pages are hidden? Well, don't you worry, the register link and register pages will all work. However, there will be a problem on them, and I'm gonna show you right now. So I clicked on the register, but you see the immediate issue? All of this stuff are still showing. So let's remedy that as well. And I need to log back in. So this is the most annoying part. Let's log back in and logged in. Now go to pages, all pages, and find the site registration page. Edit it. First, let's hide both sidebars. Hide both. And we are going to hide the header menu as well. Update this. And now I'm going to open new incognito window so I don't have to log in, log out all the time. Okay, so peepso.tv, I'm redirected here. Let's try to register. And as you can see, I'm completely hidden my content from all the registration pages. You will have to do the very same thing for forgot password page. So let's do that. Forgot password page, we fixed this one. So reset password, edit, hide the sidebars, both, and hide the header menu, update the page, switch back to incognito window. Let's go back to the welcome page, refresh it just to make sure that new settings are all applied. Forgot password, they are not applied for some reason. So let me check that thing one more time. So hide the header menu, both sidebars, update this, page is updated, let's view it. It should work now. Let's come back to the incognito window, get redirected back, forgot password, and something is wrong. So am I updating the proper page? Oh, I updated the reset password, not the forgot password. Okay, so forgot password page, recent password, forgot password, here it is. Okay, so you need to do that for forgot password and reset password as well. So all the pages, hide header menu, hide both sidebars, update, page is updated. Let's switch back here. Let's check it. Now it works as we expect it to work. Now, what about those pages that you don't want to be redirected? For example, terms of service or your shop pages or whatever. You know, you do have a page that you don't want to hide from the view. So in order to unhide them, we can go back to the admin of our website, then get to settings, and we can add the redirect exceptions for single items or redirect exceptions for entire post type. So if you have, for example, in WooCommerce product post type, you can type a product and all of the products from the WooCommerce store will be redirected or accepted from the redirection. You can also accept the single item with the ID. For example, let's go to posts, all posts. I don't have any posts. Let's go to pages, all pages, and let's create a new terms of service page. Let's call it TOS, and something is here. Okay, let's publish this page. And now when you publish it, you will see this post 2333. This is the ID we want to copy. So I'm going to copy this, go back to the settings, and simply paste that number over here. If I want to redirect another item, I will just add comma, another ID, let's say random ID, and just type in something so you can see no spaces, just the comma. Okay, let's save the changes. And just like that, all of these pages with these IDs or posts with these IDs now will be accepted from the redirection. But I'm going to go one step further and add this TOS page with this specific ID. It will be different for you most likely into the menu. And to do that, I will go to Appearance, Menus, choose the footer menu, select it, and add the TOS page to that menu. Okay, save the menu. Did I save it? Okay, there is no confirmation or anything. So let's come back to our incognito page. You see, nothing is happening right here. But now I have the TOS in my footer menu, and if I click it, what do you think it will happen? Of course, it will open the page, but it will open it with all the extra content on the side, because I forgot to change I forgot to hide the header, and I forgot to hide the sidebars for this page as well. So you will most likely want to double check all of your pages to make sure that your content is actually hidden when you don't want to show it. All right, I'm going to draw the line here because in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to do some additional things with third-party plugins, like showing menus to only logged in and logged out users, or disabling the public privacy, which is not used in the sites like this. But for all of that, we'll need to use the third-party plugins. So the next episode will add some third-party plugins into the mix. They will all be free, don't worry about it. So everything you see me do, you will be able to do without any further investment. All right? So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification icon. You know all the drill. And don't forget to follow us on social media as well. We are present there. Links will be in the description below. Until the next video, I wish you all the best. Bye!